Hello mga ka-awa! Welcome to the Adventures of Marian Asher. So, nandito kami ngayon sa isang mall dito sa may C5. Ay bibili kami ng aming gift kay Daddy Extinct Bricks. Lego Dinosaur daw. Where are you going?
I'm going to give Daddy a gift.
Hi, gift.
Advance birthday.
Advance birthday gift yan ha. Emily, saan pupunta?
Si Mia, may birthday gift kay Daddy. May tax.
Sige. So, 2 years ago na nga since the last time we were here in UP Town Mall dito sa may C5. Yung Lego mismo, pet friendly naman. Make sure lang na naka-diaper tapos naka-stroller sila. Tinanong muna namin. Pwede naman silang pumasok. Yung isang Lego kasi sa Trinoma, hindi sila nag-a-allow ng dog sa loob. So, yun. Kaya dito na lang kami. To be honest, ang pinunta lang talaga namin ay yung Lego dito. Hindi naman para magliwaliw. Kasi nga, for me lang medyo social siya. Tada! Oy! Lego is there! Hi! Come on! Yay!
So we're gonna get Jurassic World remix sets.
Yay! Asan yung Jurassic? Meron sila dito, kompleto. Yay!
Yeah, that is the Spinosaurus Quetzalcoatlus
Kasi
Scare
Raptor.
Mission. This is the Raptor and Titanosaurus tracking mission. We have here the T-Rex River Escape. I think this is the other one. No.
Hindi, Raptor lang. Yung sinasabi mo.
This one is also from the river. This is the
Dolores.
baby Dolores Acolops. I think this is the other one. They have it. They took a picture.
Anyways, yan.
So aside from the Lego Jurassic World Rebirth sets, they also still have yung dating sets from Chaos Fury. We have here yung Allosaurus over there. Yes. Si Bambi, which is the brick-red one. Ito yung Triceratops pickup truck. And then also some sets from Harry Potter. We have here Lego sets for Fortnite, Super Mario, Sonic, also from Animal Crossing. Others also, kaya lang we're just waiting for people to assist kasi they're kind of busy at the moment. Pero yeah, they also have Ninjago, the usual ones, Marvel, of course, Star Wars, hindi yan mawawala. Over there. They also have sets from Lord of the Rings, Disney of course, that Little Mermaid, really cool one, Insect and Plum Blossoms, and then other stuff also here. They of course have yung mga Duplo, and then sets from Disney as you can see here. Oh, look at that. Really cool. Naligaw yung set ng ng T-Rex. Lil T-Rex. Naligaw siya dyan. Supposedly there's the shot dapat sa kabila. But anyways, dito siya sa Lego Friends and so on. So, ito na nga yung price. So, itong set na to, yung Spinosaurus
set na to is 10,899 or $194.93 as of June. Kasi nung June pa namin ito nabili. Ngayon na namin nilabas kasi para itaon sa Jurassic World Rebirth movie showing. So, kung hindi pa kayo nakakapanood, panoorin nyo. So, yun na nga. Meron din sila dong installment plan, max of 3 months. Pwede na rin, di ba? Kasi medyo expensive siya. So, yan. Tapos, eto naman yung isa. Dalawa kasi yung binili namin. So, ito naman yung Raptor set, Velociraptor set, which is $2,499. So, $2,500. So, $132 siya. So, ayan. Mas maliit to ng konti kasi mas konti yung pieces niya sa loob. So, yun. And, meron pang isa doon, yung, meron pang ibang set doon. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, ba't di niya bilhin? Yung Titanosaur, yung Aquilox, saka yung T-Rex. Si Alan is meticuloso kapag dating sa mga dinosaurs. Diba, nag-custom nga siya, so minsan mas maganda pa yung gawa niya sa Lego, hindi naman sa So, yun. Hindi niya bet masyado. Ito lang yung gusto niya. Yung Spinosaurus, saka itong Velociraptor set, no? So, guys, kung kayo ay mahilig sa dinosaurs, sa Lego sets, ganyan. Nagka-custom si Alan. So, panoorin yung full review nito sa kanyang channel, Extinct Bricks. Okay, marami din siyang mga dinosaurs na at kung gusto nyo, panoorin nyo. So, I hope nakatulong sa inyo. Pwede kayo tumawag. Marami namang Lego branches na malapit sa inyo kung gusto niyo ng originals. Siyempre. And also, please don't forget to watch Jurassic World Rebirth. Napanood na namin, now showing na siya. For me, maganda naman siya. Panoorin nyo ha sa inyong mga suking sinihan. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe also on the Adventures of Mary Dasher. So, yun lang. Bye! And advance happy birthday to Extinct Bricks! Ayun no, sobrang gusto niya tong set na to. Ayan. Happy birthday again! Bye!